Hello YouTube. We're going to finish filling this bag. What I ended up doing was the bag drugged the ground the way I had it, and so when you put all the weight in it, it would just drag the bag. So I had to take it back up, and we'll show you, and put a floor in it. So I used the floor with the same type of metal decking that I used on this bucket. I'm going to get inside and use what I had. So we're going to get to splitting and filling this up. Come along with us. Now, as far as the safety glasses, I've been hit by this super splitter so many times that I thought and Husqvarna, yes, you Husky guys, Husqvarna gave me these nice safety glasses, and I thought since I have them and since I brung them, I just want to wear them, and that way if that wood jumps up, it don't take out my new lenses. Is it close enough?
Yep. I don't want to get hit by your super splitter. I don't have my protective lenses on.
Quiet fire. It's still got a good ways.
Really? I thought it was full.
Watch that one over there. Don't let it fold under. Quiet. Cycle time of 2 seconds. Oh, but wood's falling out. Yeah, I think that's probably full enough. Now, because I want to put this bag in the container, I've got it mounted to a skid. So right now everything's working. I need to unhook the straps. Yeah, they all got to get unhooked. Might not be able to get them till I start lifting. Piece of wood.
Come to Dad.
That's why I was talking about I might have to put sheet metal sides on it to keep it from doing that. Yeah, we're going into the container. That's mostly red oak, so it's really heavy. That container needs to be swept out. Stuff in there is fittings. You got to pick them up. First bag in the container. Yeah, it looks like it's going to work. The key is not, I can't fill the bags completely full like you could with straps. But there appears that with the Bobcat that I can, but if the Bobcat loads them, I can put them 2 wide and 2 on top, just like I did with the totes. And each bag holding about 1/4 of a cord instead of 1/3 of a cord. And that seems to be, that's the most they want to hold and be stable. That's if the bags are bolted down to a pallet. So any of you guys moving these things around with you up in the air by the arms, that's not stable unless you've got a track loader. But in this case, it don't fit our application. Trying to hold them up in the air and go into the building, I'm only a few inches from my trusses. So that doesn't work. I couldn't stack them in here if they're not on skids. So I'll show you. I've got to put some on skids. I'll show you here in a little bit.
So he's thinking if he skins the side of it, that won't happen.
Yeah, I'm going to skin the inside of this with sheet metal and rivet it, and then wood can't stick out and try to pick this up. This thing ain't light. It was, one piece of wood was catching.
One piece of wood was catching.
And here's the bigger problem is even, I've got these rotated because it's catching on this, but the simplest thing is just to skin it with sheet metal. That's the plan.